So first specification is entry page by visiting /wiki/title. The title is the title of encyclopedia entry. Should render a page which displays content of encyclopedia entry. So let's try this. Title should be CSS. We see CSS page. And let's check any other page. /wiki/html and /wiki/git. It shows GitHub entry page. Second is index page. Update index.html says that instead of merely listing all the names in encyclopedia, user can click on any name to be taken directly to that entry page. This is our index.html and you can see all the links here. When we click any link, it leads to the entry page. Search. You allow user to type in a query in the search box in the sidebar to search for an encyclopedia entry. For example, if query were py, then Python should appear in the search results. Python is appearing in the search results. Likewise, we have two entries with G. Let's type G, and all the two search results are showing up. Then we have specification new page. By clicking create new page in the sidebar, create new page in the sidebar, user should be able to create a new encyclopedia entry. We are clicking create new page from sidebar and give it a title. Ruby. In Markdown language, we are given title and an ordered list. And a list. Ruby is a programming language. The entry is saved, and we can see it here. Next specification is edit page. On each entry page, user should be able to click a link taken to the page where user can edit entries markdown in a text area. Okay, so let's edit HTML page. This is the edit button. It leads to the same create.html layout page, but I have just changed this heading and disabled this and pre-populate this data using JavaScript. Let's change it a bit. For example, we can change 5 to 6 and let's take out this word. This file is changed to 6 and it's working all fine. You can again edit it. Paragraphs is now gone. So edit page is also working and everything is done in text area. Next is random page. By clicking random page in the sidebar, user should be taken to the random encyclopedia entry. Let's press random page button. It's taking us to the random page. Okay, now last is Markdown to HTML conversion. This is done using Python Markdown 2 package. I have imported it and you can check it on my GitHub's code. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.